Hello everyone. Our today's topic is naming of fused ring compounds. So in this video we will learn about fused heterocyclic compounds nomenclature. In fused heterocyclic system two components are present. Then one is chosen as the base component and the other is attached component. So here in first example this is benzoxazole. So oxazole is base component and benzene is attached component. And in phenolphurane, thene or thiopene is attached component and furane is base component. Because oxygen is given priority. Because oxygen comes first in preferential order. Next, rule 2. Components are given their recognized trivial names where possible. If monocyclic component has no recognized trivial name, systematic name is used. The base component should be heterocyclic if there is choice. The base component should be determined by the order of preference. So there are rules to determine the order of preference. We will see in next slides. So what are the rules for selection of base components? First, nitrogen containing component is selected as base component. So if in this example there are two rings, one ring contains a nitrogen atom and other ring contains sulfur atom. So nitrogen containing ring will be given priority. So base component is pyridine. And here one ring contains nitrogen atom and other ring contains oxygen atom. So nitrogen ring will be given priority and the base component is pyrrole and furane is attached component. So here in both the examples size doesn't matter. Size of the ring doesn't matter if nitrogen containing ring or component is present. Next slide. Component with heteroatoms other than nitrogen. If heteroatom is other than nitrogen, so if one ring is carbocyclic and other is heterocyclic, so the ring with other heteroatom is selected as base component. So here one is benzene ring which doesn't contain nitrogen or heteroatom, and other ring is furane which contain heteroatom. So furane is base component and benzene is attached component, and here is thiopene is base component and benzene is attached component because there is no heteroatom in benzene ring. And in this compound the furane contains oxygen and thiopene contains sulfur, and we know that oxygens come first in priority order. So furane is here base component and thiopene is attached component. Next, a component has larger number of rings, the component containing the larger number of rings is the base component. So here we will choose this component as base component which is quinoline, and this is attached component which is pyrazine. We cannot select here pyridine as base component, so we choose larger component which is quinoline as base component. If there are unequal, if the compound has unequal rings of unequal size, and has same number of or same type of heteroatom, then the ring of larger size is selected as base component. Here thymine is base component because it is larger ring, and thiopine is attached component. And in this compound, pyrene, which is 6-membered ring, is base component, and furane is attached component. Next, ring of equal size with different number of heteroatoms. Here both the rings are 5-membered, but this ring contains 2 heteroatoms. So the ring with greater number of heteroatoms of any kind is selected as base component. So this ring has 2 heteroatoms, while this ring has only 1 heteroatom. So isoxazole is base component. If rings of equal size contains equal number of different heteroatoms of same group, choose the ring as the base component with atom appearing first in this order. So here are both ring is 5-membered. So what base component is isoxazole, because oxygen appears first in order of preference. So this ring is base component, this ring is attached component. And in this compound, oxygen both oxygen and nitrogen is given priority. So this is base component and this ring is attached component. If ring are of equal size and contains equal number of heteroatoms, you can see both rings are 5-membered and has 5 number of atoms. Choose the ring as the base component with greater variety of heteroatoms. So here oxygen and nitrogen is different, so this ring will be chosen as base component and the remaining ring is chosen as attached component. If ring are of equal size and contain same kind of heteroatom, here both ring has equal size, equal number of heteroatoms and same kind of heteroatoms. So we will choose the base component that ring for which the heteroatom have lower number before fusion. So lower number of before fusion has this ring. So here pyridine is base component, while pyrazine attached component. So we have learned that how we can decide base component and attached component. In next video we will discuss the nomenclature system of fused heterocycle compounds, the RIM. So thanks.